Tired of complicated money transfers and wish you had a simple way to manage your finances in the US? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to open a Chase bank account in the USA, making managing your US finances a breeze. First, let's talk about eligibility. To open a Chase account, you'll generally need to be a US resident or a non-resident with a valid US address. For certain account types, you'll also need a valid form of ID, like a passport or driver's license. US residents will typically need a social security number, while non-residents may not. Finally, depending on the account, you may need to provide proof of your US address, like a utility bill. Now, let's explore the application process. You have two options: online or in-person. Applying online is super convenient. Just head to the Chase website, find the account you want, and fill out the application form. Make sure you have all your documents handy. Prefer a face-to-face experience? Visit your nearest Chase branch. A bank representative will guide you through the process, answer your questions, and help you choose the best account for your needs. Whether you choose to apply online or in person, Chase offers a variety of accounts to fit your needs. From basic checking accounts to those with rewards and benefits, take your time to research your options. And that's it. With a Chase bank account, you'll unlock easy access to your funds, convenient money transfers, and a simple way to manage your finances in the US. Welcome to simpler US banking.